nowadays, the whole world, as is mentioned, is a crisis situation. What is the symptom? We see the whole world is fearful. When we are going in the procession, they were throwing off the bombs. Boom! And the devotees, they smiled. But the horses, what did they do? They jumped. Because animal means fear. They're always afraid. So when you see a bird, if you go, hey, the bird flies away. Why? Because the bird is afraid. So Pashu life means fear. So whole world is now afraid. They're fearful. What is my future? Will there be a war? Will there be a strike? Will there be a shortage? In so many ways they're fearing. This fear is symptomatic of animal life. Animals are also fearing. According to the Shastra, what is the difference from animal life and human life? Do you know? They say that animal life plus dharma is equal to human life. So what is human life minus dharma? Can anyone say? Any volunteers? Human life minus dharma. Animal life. Thank you, Mrs. Sharma. So because the world is lacking the real Sanatan Dharma, everyone is afraid. Fear we have to protect ourselves. But that type of overwhelming fear is not there in the devotee because he knows Krishna rake mare ke, mare Krishna rake ke. If Krishna protects me, who will harm me? And if Krishna hits me, who will protect me? So they depend upon Krishna. So this is the secret of fearlessness.